Hey guys, good morning. Today is Tuesday, so when you get into Schoology, make sure that you click the Tuesday folder. And today we're taking a little quiz on what we learned yesterday. So we are going to relearn it again. So you're going to get a little bit of practice here with Desmos. I'm going to click on that in a little bit. Then you're going to get some more practice with quizzes. And then you're going to take the little test. So when you click on Desmos, the Desmos link is going to take you to here. So make sure that you look for your period and then you click on that link for your period only. Make sure that you type your name, first and last name. You click go and you're going to start working the activity. Okay, so remember what this is. This is sorting. So we're going to be sorting things that are functions and things that are not functions. So this circle, is it a function or is it not a function? And make sure that they click. So when you click it, make sure that they stick, okay? This one, is it a function or not a function? This table, is it a function or not a function? And you're going to continue. You're going to continue with these and then you're going to click next. Then it's going to ask you to sketch a graph of something that you think would be a function. So based on what you learned yesterday, can you draw something that looks like a function? So go back and look at your notes. And then right here it says to draw 3 vertical lines to test your graph to see if it's a function. So for instance, if I draw something like this, right, that's my function. Then I'm going to draw 3 vertical lines. And it said to use a different color, so make sure that you change it. And remember, it's only supposed to go through one time at a time. Okay, and you're going to keep going until you finish. Then you're going to go back into Schoology, Tuesday folder, and you're going to do the quizzes practice. Remember, if it doesn't come up on here, always remember to open it in here. Okay, and then just click start so that you can start practicing, and then go back. And then this is the quiz. Remember, you don't have to do the pink folder unless you need more help. But the test is only 5 questions. Okay, so if you need any help, I'll be here in your Google Meets and just log on.